Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Defrex, DJ Sen and DJ Daffy. 10 stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Essentrimbai and Oldest Shilla. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627 83292 and 98628
Don't miss it.
In a tragic incident at OTING in Mon district of Nagaland, 6 civilians had been killed by Assam Rifles personnel on the 4th of December 2021. In what the Assam Rifle termed as mistaken identity, 6 mine laborers who were returning home from work on a pickup truck were fired upon by the paramilitary forces on reaching OTING. Reports say that all 6 laborers died on the spot, while another 8 that included a Jawan died later when clashes broke out between the IRATE mob and the personnel of the Assam Rifles, whose trucks were set ablaze during the arrival of volunteers who went in search of the laborers after they did not return home from work.
Oh!
Let's go.
The president of the Naga Students Federation, K-TEP, on Sunday announced that a bandh has been called in the all Naga inhabited areas from 6 a.m. to 12 o'clock in the afternoon on 6th December 2021. He urged upon everyone to cooperate with the Students Federation and show solidarity against the unfortunate and horrific incident that had taken place in the evening of 4th December at Mon district of Nagaland.
Today, Naga Students Federation held an emergency official meeting at its office and discussed the incident which took place last night at Mon district, Nagaland. After a round of deliberation, we resolved to call for a total bandh in all Naga inhabited areas tomorrow from 6 a.m. onwards till 12 noon. Therefore, we appeal to all Naga civil societies and all the Naga citizens to comply with our demand and to cooperate so as to make this total bandh an effective and successful one. We also would like to inform paramilitary force to comply with the order of the Naga Students Federation and refrain from coming out to the street during the process of our bandh.